cook with the convenience of an oven on your countertop using this Oster Extra Large Digital Countertop Convection Oven. Perfect for the holidays when you need extra oven space or just for cooking dinner quickly on a weeknight. This large countertop convection oven uses convection technology to distribute heat evenly for thorough cooking and excellent results. The oven's generously sized interior offers enough space to accommodate 2 large take and bake pizzas, a family-sized chicken, a roast, or 18 slices of bread. Its 2 adjustable racks can be placed in 2 positions, allowing you to customize the space whether you're cooking a tall roast or baking chocolate chip cookies. An energy-efficient alternative to turning on the full-size oven. This convection oven uses 50% less energy and offers digital settings, including bake, broil, toast, pizza, and defrost options, to take the guesswork out of cooking. A 90-minute timer with auto shut-off feature lets you know with a bell when your food is ready. The Oster Extra Large Digital Countertop Convection Oven includes a baking pan and an integrated broiling rack. Oven shuts off when the timer beeps. Here are the key features of Oster Toaster Oven. 7-in-1 Countertop Toaster Oven. Spacious and even cooking. Say goodbye to unevenly cooked dishes. The Oster Extra Large Digital Countertop Convection Oven uses advanced convection technology to ensure fast and even heating throughout the oven. This means you can enjoy thorough cooking and outstanding results with every dish you prepare. Ample interior capacity. No need to worry about fitting your culinary creations inside this oven. With its generously sized interior, it can easily accommodate 2 large take and bake pizzas, a family-sized chicken, a roast, or a whopping 18 slices of bread. It's the perfect solution for busy households and large gatherings. Customizable cooking space. Whether you're cooking a towering roast or baking delicate chocolate chip cookies, the Oster Convection Oven offers versatility with its 2 adjustable racks. You can easily place the racks in 2 different positions to customize the space and achieve perfect results with every dish. Energy efficient and time saving. The Oster Extra Large Digital Countertop Convection Oven is an energy efficient alternative to firing up your full-size oven for smaller meals. It uses an impressive 50% less energy, helping you save both time and money while being environmentally conscious. Additionally, the digital settings for pizza, bake, broil, toast, and defrost take the guesswork out of cooking, ensuring consistent and delicious results. Convenience at your fingertips. With its user-friendly digital settings, cooking has never been easier. The 90-minute timer comes with an auto shut-off feature, notifying you with a pleasant bell sound when your food is ready. No more worries about overcooking or undercooking. Everything you need included. The Oster Extra Large Digital Countertop Convection Oven is designed to make your cooking experience a breeze. It comes with 2 oven racks, a baking pan, and an integrated broiling rack, providing you with everything you need to create culinary masterpieces.